Hey everyone, Jason back here at Firewood. Hope everybody's doing well. Got the Clone 395, the Neotech 895 out, cutting up some white oak. Unfortunately, my GoPro got some bar oil on the lens, so no point of view video today. So I'm running 32-to-1 AMSOIL Saber still. I got one tank left, so it's still going to look like I'm fogging for mosquitoes. As far as the saw is concerned, so far so good. I've wanted a 395 for quite some time. I don't really need one. I've got a ported 572 XP. So that's plenty soft for what I use, but I've always liked the 395, so that's why I went the clone route. When I got the saw, I opted for a 28-inch bar. It's the Neotech bar. The bar itself's okay, but the oil holes get plugged up way too easy, so I have to frequently stop and clean those out. So I went ahead and got a 28-inch Oregon bar to replace this bar. I'm also running the, I guess, Neotech full chisel chain that came with the bar. Actually, the chain itself's quite nice. It holds edge pretty well, stays sharp for quite a long time. Alright, so that'll about do it for today. The rest of the video is just me chucking rounds to load in the truck, and then I moved to a different location. I didn't film with my phone, just my GoPro, so unfortunately, like I said, I didn't realize I had bar oil on the lens, and all that footage was super blurry. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe. Check out the links if you're an AMSOIL user, and I'll catch you next time.